Hey, what's up? Welcome back, ladies. Part 2 of the women's Valentine's Day watch faces. ACD got down on these watch faces, and I know for a fact you're gonna like these next two. Alright, so with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get off into the second part of this and check out the Valentine's Day watch faces. Hey, what's up, ladies? Welcome back for another video, and today we got the second half of the Valentine's Day watch faces. Now, the name of this watch face is called Valentine watch face number 3. That's what we're calling it, and we'll leave the link in the description down below so you can go find these watch faces, take a better look at them. But ACD got down on this watch face. He's making more ladies watch faces to come, so look out for that, and go check out his lineup. This guy does really good work on some watch faces, and this one here is no exception. This one is nice. Now, what I like about this watch face, first of all, is the floating hearts, and you got like two bowls like it's wrapping the package. This is nice. At the top you get your date, you get your digital time in the middle with a PM stamp, animated seconds, you get info on calories burned, your heart rate, info on your steps and your step goal completed, also miles walked or ran, and your battery info right down at the bottom with this vibrant red color. Now you can customize the color. Just simply double tap, cycle through the many colors that this watch face has to offer, and line it up with whatever it is you want for that day, or whichever one is your favorite color. You got some deep blue color, you got some pastel colors. I'm telling you, the watch faces, the watch colors on this watch face is really, really nice. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this watch face, but let's go on and check out watch face number 2. Let's check out watch face number 2, which is really Valentine watch face number 4. Now, this looks good in the always on mode, which it looks just the same on. You just don't get the second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. But what I like that adds a little bit of character is the design that's going on in the background. Kind of make the watch face stand out a little bit, along with the double hearts with the bow going in there. Nice touch, ACD. Nice touch. I also like the fact that this is an analog watch face look, along with the arms that has hearts on them, which I thought was very, very creative. Now, you cannot customize the color of this, but this is what you can do, ladies. Let's check this out, right? Know you want this. Info on your exercise and information. So you get info on your battery, your heart rate. You also get your day and your date. You also get info on your steps. And you also get info on whether you completed your goal or not, and calories burned. So I like the look of this. I like the design. I like the thought that the guy put into this watch face. But ladies, the question is, at the end of the day, what do you think? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you thought of the second part of the Valentine's Day watch faces. All right, you all. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please, ladies, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to be notified when I drop more videos, then make sure you hit the notification bell on your way out. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.